Hello, hello, welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to capture a camera. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing I want to go ahead and do is go ahead and make sure that you don't have a camera anywhere else in any of your scenes. As you see, I have one here. So what I'm going to want to do is once I have that going, I'm going to scroll through, make sure I don't have a camera being taken up anywhere else or anywhere like Streamlabs or TikTok Live Studio or anything like that. I could press plus. I could go ahead and go to video capture device, press OK, and then it'll automatically go to my camera. Hello. Hi. So then, yeah, and then I could turn it on, turn it up, turn it off. Make it bigger, smaller, do a whole bunch of other cool stuff with it, but that's essentially how you use your camera. I somehow didn't occur to me that my face would just appear right there looking crazy. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them down below. Other than that, though, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.